Welcome to Fenny Magnet. Now I have a MacBook A1706 and I'm trying to replace this touch bar. Okay, so customer tried to do it by himself and was not able to do, so he has given it to me. So you can see if I remove this tape, you can see this is the first layer of the touch bar, and the second, the the layer of the touch bar is there. So I have to remove that first in order to install it. So let me put this tape here first and then I'll go back. So I'm going to remove the screws which are here. So this, there is a little glue here, so you have to be careful while removing this. And very important part is this one. You can see here, we can, like, there is a connector inside this. Oh, let me figure out if I can find my stand so I can make this camera stable. Okay, so this was the connector. I was trying to tell you that this connector goes here, and this is the cable which goes from here, like a kind of a J shape or whatever you call it. You see this. Now this is the whole touch bar which is going on the back side of the chassis. So the big problem you will face when you will try to do this, that even if you will able to remove this glass, the tough part is, you see this. Okay, 1 second. So okay, I'm not sure. Okay, you see this part has come here. So this is the first layer of the touch bar. So this is not a difficult one. The difficult one is this one, what you have here. Okay, so I'll tell you what tools I have and what I will be using. Just a moment. So I have this tool. Okay, so this is a glued inside, on this chassis. So I don't want to do directly heat on this thing, because it can damage the keyboard or something else. Just for the safer side, I have removed everything. So there is nothing, like just a batteries there. I have removed the screen, motherboard, everything. So now what I'm trying is, I will remove this what do you call this, cable. This is the power button. I'll remove that also, because I don't want to get that thing damaged in, when I will process this whole thing. So let me remove that and I'll continue the video. All right, so I have removed this the fingerprint or power button, whatever you call it. Now we have to get access under this. So I have few things. I will be using few tools. That one is this one. This is generally used to to remove the IC. So this is very flexible, when it can go anywhere like this. And I will be using the isopropyl liquid just to make it loose. Also I have let me show you. This one. Okay. So this is little hard. So if I want to force, this can work for me. So I think this three tools will help me. So uh, so what I'll do, I'll start the process, and in the then I'll start the video again. So initially I will be heating this using this blower, and I'll try to put it, try to access under this. Okay, thanks. So as you can see that when I put the isopropyl, it's become easy to remove it. I try to make this thing heat and try to go under this touch bar, but that was time consuming. So I thought just use the blower directly. So the temperature on the blower is 100, and the speed is like firm. You see, when I try to put without isopropyl, you can see it's coming in the pieces. But when I put the isopropyl liquid, it comes in the whole. So that's interesting. So I put the isopropyl. Now you see, this will come as a whole. So so this is also the part of that, the it's the whole part of the touch bar itself. So after this, I think rest everything you will understand what to do. So there is a little bit of a glue here, okay, just a kind of a double tape or something. So I'm going to scrap it normally, just using this and isopropyl liquid, and then I'll put a new touch bar and the work is done. Thank you. So finally you can see that I was able to completely remove this. So generally I use you see this is the leftover of that glue of the touch bar. So after removing this, I use the isopropyl liquid and I scrap it with the opener, and after that I use use this one to clean this. I use the cotton and rub it like that, and that's worked for me. So here is the new touch bar. I will be using it.